Hello friends, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show how to change hair color in Photoshop. Upper layer is the image and lower is background. I'm selecting quick selection tool and selecting hair. To deselect the face, I'm holding down Alt key and now deselecting the face. Click on group, click here hue saturation, click on this colorize. Now increase the value of saturation. Now make change hair color using hue scale. But here you can see the color on the face. To remove it, select here and select brush tool. Make sure black is upper and white is lower. Make brush soft from here. Now simply brush above the skin to remove color. That's it for now. If you benefited a little from this video, then make sure to subscribe this channel. Thank you.